Hello, Robert Mills here, Riverside Wealth Advisors, for our tip of the week. This is the time of season when we begin to think about taxes. And as I contemplate taxes, one of the things I'm always hopeful for is our clients to have Roth IRAs. As you may remember, a Roth IRA is the type of IRA where you make a contribution with after tax dollars. The money inside of the Roth IRA grows tax free, and you're able to take it out tax free. There is a caveat. The first caveat is that once you put the money in, the principal, the amount that you put in, is liquid from day one, meaning you can get it out without any penalty. However, the second caveat is that the earnings inside of that Roth IRA are not available for 5 years. But the IRS has said if you opened up a Roth 5 years ago and have not contributed any money in it until today, the earnings in that Roth now are available because you opened it up 5 years ago. My point is this: if you don't have a Roth IRA open yet, I would encourage you to do so as soon as possible. And if that's something you'd like to talk about or we can help you with, please never hesitate to let us know. Thanks a lot.